Okay, this week we're going to look at doing the opposite to multiplying out brackets. That means we're going to do something called factorising. Okay, and that means taking something like this and doing the reverse of multiplying out, putting it into a bracket. You also remember last week we looked for what was called the highest common factor. Okay, so if we're looking at these, I look at the number bit first. We have 5 and we have 20, yes? Now the biggest number that you can divide both 5 by and 20 by is 5. Okay, so what I do first of all is I'd put down a 5. That's going to go on the outside of my bracket. Okay, so there's a 5 there. Now, I need to look at this and think. Do you see how that is 5 times x plus this bit, 20 is 5 times 4, isn't it? Yeah? Well, the way to think of it is to say, look, we've put this bit on the outside of the bracket. So this bit is going to have to go on the inside of the bracket, isn't it? We're left with x plus 4. So x plus 4 would go in there. And you can always check by multiplying out your bracket. Look, 5 times x, 5x plus 5 times 4, 20. Okay, let's have a look at the next one. This time, look, the biggest number that goes into 50 and 100 is 50, isn't it? So the number that's going to go on the outside of the bracket, the biggest number you can divide both of these by, is 50. So I'm going to put 50 there. And then I'm going to have a little think about what goes on the inside of the bracket. The first bit, similar to last time, look, 50 times t is 50t, isn't it? So the first bit inside the bracket is t. Now there's a minus there, so I'm going to have a minus here. And 100, minus 100 is the same as 50 times minus 2, isn't it? Yeah? So in there will go the minus 2. Okay? Because that's what that is written with multiplied by the common factor. But this is what we're after. So this one, you wanted that as an answer. This one, you wanted that as your answer. Okay? And this is called factorising. Okay? So you need to look at it and say, what's the biggest thing that goes into both? They're not only always just numbers, but we're going to look at ones which are just numbers today. I hope that makes sense. I'd like you to have to go at the questions now. Have a good day.